Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Excel Master Trick. Here on this channel I bring videos around learning of Excel function, formula, tips and tricks. Today again I have taken a video for conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a very important tool to organize data, to format the data, by which we can get very useful insights from the data. So let's begin the video for conditional formatting. So friends, I have a sheet where I have put some numbers and name of salesperson. These are the salesperson and their sales on monthly basis, marketing cost, operation cost, manufacturing cost and their profit. So we use this data to understand various method of conditional formatting. So to begin with conditional formatting, we need to see where it is in the tab, formula tab. So we go to home screen and now there is conditional formatting. Here on the screen we click. Here are some predefined conditional formatting rules. We can use them one by one. So we start with highlight cells rules. There are some predefined rules which can highlight cells, use for highlighting the cells, like highlight cells rules greater than. So if I select a column, sales column, and go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules greater than, I want here, this is predefined 55,000. If I want the value greater than 35,000 should be highlight here. Click OK. So the values greater than 35s are highlighted here. So this is the predefined rule for highlighting greater than values. I am making this undo to go for another step. Again I select the column, the values, and now highlight cell rules less than. So like greater than, we can also select a value for which we want to highlight the cells, highlight the values and data. So if I select less than this 35,000 here, so the values less than 35,000, these are two values, 20,000 and 15,000, highlighted in the column. So for next step, again select the data, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules between. If I want some values between two numbers should be highlighted, so I can select the numbers here, like values between 55,000 to 88,000. So here are values got highlighted which are between the given values, selected values. So I am again doing this, Control Z for undo, again selecting the column and go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. This is equal to, if I want to search some specific values in a big data and I want to get them highlight, select this, and if I insert a value like 90,000 and this is highlighted, got highlighted. If there is a number of 90,000 values in the big column, like big data, it will be get highlighted. So I am doing it, Control Z, again highlight this, select this, again select this value go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, text that contain. So here is a rule which works on text only. Text that contain. I have another sheet 6. So I am selecting this column, this data here, and I want to use highlight cell rule, text that contain. I can use here, like if I want to highlight the text that contain MBA. So MBA is getting highlighted here. If I write down here MCA, the cells containing MCA got highlighted. So this function can be used for these text values, text strings. I'm cancelling it. Again, the next step in highlight cell rule, again we go to highlight cell rules and a date occurring. Date occurring is to highlight a specific date on which we are doing work, and it calculate from the current date. So date occurring, I am selecting this date column data, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, date occurring. So if I select today I am recording this video 5th May 2022, so it got highlighted here. If I select yesterday, from the date today, from the current date, it will select a date before, like this, 4th May 2022. So this function can be used for date selections and highlighting the date of occurrence. So here we have understand some predefined highlight cells rules. So we have done greater than, less than, between, equal to, text contain, date occurring, and also we can see one very important predefined conditional formatting rule is duplicate values. Now what we can do, we go to our conditional formatting sheet. So here we select column with this data, and now go to this highlight cells rule, and the last one is duplicate value. Now I have selected duplicate. Here we can select color also, the red fill. Okay, there is no cell got highlighted because there is no duplicacy. So if I do this, yes, this got highlighted. If we have some values which are double, triple or duplicate in the column and selected data, so you can see the cell got highlighted. So this is the conditional formatting for predefined rules. We will learn more about conditional formatting in next video. So this is the part of conditional formatting, a very small part. We will come again for next video for more in conditional formatting. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel to get notification. Please click bell icon and like. Thank you for watching my video.